Hello and welcome to my science tutorials. In today's video, we want to look at fraction of a number. So let's begin by looking at a very simple example. Say we have 1 over 6 of 42 and we are to find the answer for this particular problem. What is going to be 1/6 of 42? Now, the easiest way for us to do this is to first of all rewrite the equation or the problem that we have. Now in mathematics, when we say of, it means multiplication. And so therefore it means that we are having 1 over 6 multiplied by 42, and that is what the question is saying we should find. 1 over 6 of 42 means 1 over 6 times 42. Now, what we do from here is the 1 over 6 I have over here, I can maintain the 1 and send the 6 to this side and bring it under the 42. So that gives me 1 multiplied by 42 on 6. So this becomes my rearrangement. Now from here, I have 1 multiplied by 42 divided by 6 will give me 7. So now I multiply 1 by 7 to give me 7 as my answer over here. Now let's have a look at another example. Say we have 3 over 5 of 35. How do we solve this? Just like the way we did for the first example, what we need to do is to rewrite the mathematical expression that we have over here. So we have 3 over 5 multiplied by 35. So this is equal to 3 multiplied by, we send the 5 to the other side, it now divides the 35. So we have 35 over 5. This is the rearrangement that we do. Now we still have our 3 at this side. Now we now multiply it by 35 divided by 5 is going to give us 7. So here our final answer will now be 3 multiplied by 7, and that will give us 21 as our final answer. Alright, so with this example in mind, let's have a look at more examples to further appreciate how to find the fraction of a number. Okay, so let's look at another example. So we have 1 over 5 of 250. This is also a very simple example. So all we need to do is to rewrite the expression that we have. So we have 1 over 5 multiplied by 250. This is equal to, we maintain the 1 at the top here, multiplied by, then we send the 5 under the 250. So we now have 250 on 5. Now we have 250 on 5. We know 5 will go into 25 5 times. So that means we have here 250 divided by 5 will give us 50. And then we still have our 1 over here. So over here, our final answer is going to be 50 or 50. Now let's have a look at more examples in this case. So we have 5 over 6 of 120 of 120. All right, let's go ahead and solve this. So as usual, we rewrite this as 5 over 6 multiplied by 120. From here, we maintain the 5 and then we send the 6 under the 120. So we have 120 divided by 6. Now from here, we maintain our 5 here, multiplied by 120 divided by 6. 6 will go into 12 2 times. We add a 0, so that means 20. So we have here 20. So this is equal to 5 multiplied by 20 will give us 100 as our answer. Right, so let's have a look at more examples. So try the following examples yourself. and see what answer you are going to get for us. All right, so let's try the following examples. We have example number 1, 3/4 of 56. That is our first example. Example number 2, we have 2/3 of 210. And then our final example for this tutorial, we have 4/9 of 90 or 90. So you can pause the video and go ahead and attempt the following questions. All right, so let's have a look at the solution for the first problem. So the first problem, we have 3/4 of 56. So as usual, we maintain our 3/4, we change the of to the multiplication sign, and then we bring our 56 over there. From here, we rearrange or we rewrite this expression. We have 3 multiplied by 56, and then we bring the 4 under the 56. Over here, we have 3 multiplied by 56 divided by 4 will give us the value 14. So we have 14 over here. So our final answer will be 3 multiplied by 14, and that will give us 42 as our final answer. All right, let's have a look at the second question. So we have 2/3 of 210. So that means from here, what do? First thing we do is to rewrite this expression. We have 2/3 multiplied by 210. From here, we rewrite the expression again by maintaining the 2, the numerator here, multiplied by 210, and we bring this denominator under the 210, so it becomes 3 over here. So now we maintain the 2 multiplied by 210 divided by 3, that will give us 70. So we have 70 over here. That is 3 will go into 21 7 times, so we just add the 0 at the end over here, and that will be 70. So our final answer over here is going to be 2 multiplied by 70, and that will give us 140 as our final answer. All right, let's have a look at the last expression that we have. So we have 4/9 multiplied by 90, and this is equal to, we maintain the 4 here, and then we send the 9 under the 90, and then this is equal to 4 multiplied by 90 divided by 9 will give us 10 as our answer there. And now we have 4 multiplied by 10, and that will give us 40 as our answer. So this is how we find the fraction of a number. Now this fraction of a number can be put in a sentence form or in a word problem form for you to find the solution to the problem. So let's have a look at one example about that. Let me just think of one on the spot. So let's say Kofi has 24 apples. He decided to give 1/4 to his best friend. To his best friend, and 1/2 to his sister. Find the number of apples his friend and sister received respectively. All right, so let's have a look at the solution to this problem. Solution. Now, if you look at this problem, they said Kofi has 24 apples. So it means the total number of apples that Kofi has, total, okay, total is 24 apples at that. Now, he decided to give a fraction of that, which is 1/4 or 1/4, to his best friend. So his friend received 1/4 of the amount that he has, and then the sister received half of the apples that he had. Now, if you look at it, the amount that the friend will receive for the friend, that will be equal to 1/4 of the total, which is 24 in this case. So the friend will receive 1/4 multiplied by 24, and as we saw earlier on, we maintain the 1 here multiplied by 24, then we bring the 4 under the 24, and then we have that over here. So we know that 4 will go into 25 times, so it will go into 24 6 times. So we have 1 multiplied by 6, and this will give us 6 apples. So it means the friend will receive 6 apples. Now let's look at the sister. Now the sister, on the other hand, was given half, so 1/2 of 24. Now we write this as 1/2 multiplied by 24, and then we maintain the 1, then we send the 2 under the 24, so we have 1 multiplied by 24 divided by 2 will give us 12. So the final answer here is 12 apples. So it means in total, Kofi gave 6 apples to his friend and then 12 apples to his sister. And if you look at it, it means Kofi himself will have how many apples left? He will have 24 minus, into bracket, 6 plus 12 apples left, and that will be 24 minus this is equal to 18, and then he will be having 6 apples left for himself. So thank you so much for watching. This is how we solve simple problems on fraction of a number. So thank you once again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.